My dear viewers and students, I am your lecturer, presenter and speaker Dr. Taj Firdausi on my channel Speak English. I have been telling you and I am repeating again, we the people who are non-native speakers have to learn how to speak English, whether you are professionals or whether you have got specializations in many areas like in medicine or in engineering or in business management, all sort of things. What you have done in your colleges right from the very beginning is about writing and writing and writing. You never had an experience of getting lessons on how to speak, how to pronounce the words properly, how to say, how to give the presentations. But it's a good thing that you know grammar, you know structures, you know compositions, you know how to write with punctuations and rules and regulations of writing. Your writing is great, your writing is super. I don't say that there is something wrong. You do it like a native speaker does. But the main problem comes when you start speaking English. I'm telling you, you in the sense the complete non-native speakers. They are the Asians, subcontinents, Indians, Pakistanis, Sri Lankans, Bangladeshis, Chinese, Philippines and Middle East, many other people who are non-native speakers. The problem is in their schools and colleges, nobody teaches phonetics. Phonetics is a subject that teaches you how to pronounce the words properly, the sentences to be uttered, to be said. I'm sure you have been watching English movies for ages and ages and ages, but none of you have the capacity and ability to say the same words. Maybe you may imitate, you may just as well speak in the same way, but that's not the way that you have to speak like in the films, because in Texas and other places they speak English in a different way. But the real way of speaking English is either British or American native speakers. What do we have to do? Even if you are a graduate, you have got a master's degree in your subjects, but the moment you start speaking, you have to follow the rules and regulations. There is a subject, there is a grammar about speaking. It's not just watching the movies or something and copying it. So whenever the non-native speakers speak, they should know thoroughly how the language has to be spoken and what are the rules about that. So, the people who go outside from India or Pakistan to the Middle East and other places, I have heard the people, the foreigners, the native speakers laughing at their language because only the problem is about their speaking. So, I request you, my dear students, learn how to speak English properly. I'm not teaching you grammar, how to write, how to do some sort of your writing way of styles, not a stylistics. It's not the subject. It's a phonetics. My subject, I'm teaching you how to pronounce, how to use the words, how to communicate. This is going to help you when you start speaking with anybody in the world. You can give presentations, you can contact with anyone in the world, but your spoken is going to be super. It's same like a native speaker. I being a master's and PhDs from UK degrees with phonetics, I'm going to give you the lessons. So, if at all you are interested, you can contact me. The number is already there. No calling, only just on my WhatsApp you can send the message, or in the comment you can write down whatever you want. Make a group of at least 10 people and contact me. I will conduct special classes for you, for a group, one-on-one group. What about someone who doesn't want to sit in a group? I am alone. Can I have one-on-one? Yes, it's going to be a bit expensive, but doesn't matter. If at all you are interested and if you want to do that, that arrangement can also be done. All you have to do is to contact. Thank you very much. Dr. Taj Firdausi says, take care. Bye.